In 1872, a ship was found drifting in the Atlantic Ocean, perfectly intact, completely abandoned. The vessel was the Mary Celeste. Its sails were raised, cargo untouched, food still on the table, but the entire crew had vanished. There were no signs of violence, no distress signals. The captain, his wife, their child, all gone without a trace. Some blamed pirate attacks. Others suspected alcohol fumes causing panic. A few even whispered of sea monsters or the paranormal. Investigations found no final answer, only lifeboats missing, suggesting the crew left by choice and never returned. To this day, the Mary Celeste sails through history as one of the greatest unsolved mysteries at sea.